Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Mazda 6 GT sedan, stock reference number 4989. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. .5 litre 4-cylinder turbo engine. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, less chrome mould. Left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, boot lid appears to have no damage, right rear boot lid garnish, right rear tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Both right hand doors and guard appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with white leather interior. We have automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.